Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Dodge Challenger garage door opener. First, find the 3 home link buttons, usually on your overhead console. To begin, clear any old programming by pressing and holding the 2 outside buttons for about 20 seconds. The indicator light will flash slowly, then quickly, letting you know the memory is clear and ready for new programming. This ensures a fresh start for your new setup. Now, let's train your Challenger's home link system. Grab your garage door opener remote and hold it about 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons. Next, press and hold both your remote's button and the specific home link button you want to program. Keep holding them until the home link indicator light starts flashing rapidly. This rapid flash means your Challenger is learning the signal from your remote. For the next step, you'll need to access your garage door opener motor unit. Locate and press the Learn or Smart button on the motor. This button is often a distinct color like red, orange, green, or purple. Once pressed, you'll have approximately 30 seconds to complete the final synchronization. This short window is crucial for the system to connect properly, so be ready to move quickly. Finally, head back to your Challenger. Firmly press and release the home link button you just programmed. You might need to press and release it up to 3 times to ensure the synchronization is complete. After these steps, your garage door should respond to your Challenger's home link button, opening and closing smoothly. Enjoy the convenience of integrated garage door control in your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.